Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to save Facebook videos to your Photos app on iPhone. First of all, you have to download this app called F-Saver. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. The app is specifically designed for Facebook videos. Now what you have to do is to go to your Facebook app. If you want to save this video on your Photos app, you have to click on Share and click on Copy Link. Now we are done with Facebook app. Go to this app. The app is free, but you can choose to go premium if you want. Paste the link here. Click on Find. It's going to load an ad for you to see. But if you don't want to see all these ads, you can simply go premium. Now click on the X button once the ad is finished loading. You can see it is processing the link. Now this video has been saved to our Photos app. If you go to our Photos app, you can see the video right here with HD quality. So that's how you save Facebook videos to your Photos app on iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.